3D printing is a way of printing stuff from being flat, two-dimensional to being something like this. 3D.
3D printing is a way you can express yourself and your creativity.
You can see pictures of art gallery in the gallery that people can tell you what it is, and then when you print it out, they can feel it.
We could create landmarks so blind students and kids can know what the landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, which I'm holding, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, all those structures. I think it could be a learning tool.
I have a vision impairment, and it's fun to learn what 3D printing is about. So you can print off a 3D model, and I can feel and see what it is.
It can help people such as find their way around our school. That's why I've made a map of the school, so that way if new people come they can use this, or if people with vision impairment who forgot the layouts can just drag their finger along and find where they need to go and where they are.
My design is a keyring, and I made it to go on a cane, so if I lose my cane, someone could find my cane and bring it back to me.
I'm going to be creating a model of our school gym, and the reason I am building a miniature version of my gym is because it's for fitness, and you can see everything inside of the gym.
We could use it to make like arrows like this, so they know which way to go. Then you could put braille on the lifts, so that, because I've noticed that not all lifts have them.